An extraordinary car demands extraordinary design. At Bentley, we believe every single detail should make an impact, both inside and out. And anything less simply isn't a Bentley. Our founder made a promise to make a good car, a fast car, and best in its class. We've seen that over the years in all the cars that have been developed, which are truly exquisite today. Now we're making a promise to be extraordinary, to be remarkable and unusual in everything that we do. And one of the key enablers to achieve this is extraordinary design, and we call it success by design, which is the red thread across everything that we do, both exterior design, interior design, craftsmanship, and beyond car, is to make sure that we have one design identity. And this is achieved by making sure that we have a clear and consistent brand identity. And in simple terms, it means it's recognizing that it's a Bentley from a far distance. And we have 5 design principles for exterior. What's really important for you to know is it's based on our strong heritage of developing cars over the past 100 years. And we've really picked 5 key elements of our cars and really used that to drive our future. Product identity, and that is recognizing which Bentley it is, and make sure it is applied and ensured across all the 3 phases of design. Starting with the proportion, which is the first read. This is what you see 10, 15, 20 meters away from when the car is approaching you. The next one is when you're walking closer to the car, 5 meters away, which is all about design. And then finally, it's when you're really close to the car, a meter away, it's all about the details. We need to make sure it's got the one brand identity and a clear product identity as well. At any given time, we are trying to push the design, but it's not fashionable. It's not fashion. It's iconic and timeless. The way to achieve that is to be true to your principles and trying to push the limits when it comes to design evolution or technology change and so on and so forth.
What makes a Bentley a Bentley? Well, I think the first thing you start with is the front of the car, the face of the car. And whatever you do, it has to start with the grille, the large rectangular grille. In the past, it's been vertical and then it's been horizontal. It's had diamonds, it's had vertical veins, it's had different treatments, different executions. But its prominence, its position of prominence in the front of the car is always what defines a Bentley, and everything starts from that. So you start with a grille, and then the bonnet flows into the cabin down the sides of the car, and everything starts with the grille. So it is the most iconic feature that defines a Bentley. Well, design is much more than simply styling, because it's much more than just about making it look pretty. That's the ultimate goal. But to get there, there are so many other things that are very important to be able to take control of.
We have the most beautiful materials to work with. We have, perfect paint, perfect chrome. We have craftsmen who can polish and finish components to the nth degree, and it's that sort of level of craftsmanship and attention to detail which elevates us. But we have got the most beautiful materials. We have amazing performance from our cars. The design, the engineering, the whole philosophy at Bentley is such that it just sort of goes back to W.O. Bentley's original, statement. We want to build a good car, fast car, best in the class.
And there are clear design principles across all these functions. As I mentioned, exterior design, interior design, color, material, and finish, which is when it comes to products. But beyond that, when it's lifestyle, whether it's product design, whether it's graphic design, UX, which is digital design, we have clear principles that connect all these together so that the experience for the customer is always consistent and holistic. It's a challenge that we have to make sure that what the end result is truly something special. From exquisite exteriors to extraordinary interiors, Bentley doesn't simply craft cars, it crafts dreams.